Good morning, teacher and classmates. Today we will talk about pollution in Santiago River. We will announce the main problem, the causes, and possible solutions. This water body originates from the Almaloya del Rio Springs in the state of Mexico, crosses northward from the Toluca Valley, Querétaro, Guanajuato, Michoacán, and drains into Lake Chapala in Jalisco. It has a length of 708 kilometers. The Upper Lerma River Basin is one of the areas with the greatest economic development in the country. There are around 2,500 industries located. The unsustainable use of resources by companies generates serious problems of pollution and degradation of soil, air, water, and loss of biodiversity. The Santiago River is biologically dry due to the studies from the drainage of population, the introduction of heavy metals, the garbage and toxic waste from companies.
Causes 1. Many rivers in Mexico have been seriously polluted because of rapid urbanization, growth, and industrialization activities. 2. The Santiago River is being contaminated as a result of 400 factories set up in an industrial area along the river. 3. The river has been contaminated because of dumping waste for decades include more than toxic substances, metals, chemicals, and other pollutants. 4. The river has been received around 3,000 tons per day of urban solid waste from Guadalajara through the most important landfill of the city, called Los Laureles, located in this river.
I'm going to talk about the health problems caused by the Santiago River. 1. There were 506 deaths and 1,593 people with cancer and kidney failure between 2008 and 2014 due to the health effects caused by the pollution of the Santiago River. 2. 2,953 people with dermatological, digestive, and/or respiratory problems have been found as a result of their constant contact with the river. 3. Neurotoxic problems. Chronic problems are generated by chronic exposure by carcinogenic elements. 4. Tumors in the central nervous system, leukemia, mainly in young children under 10 years, prostate and breast cancer can be generated by chemical substances in the river.
Solutions. The best way to know how much contaminated is the Santiago River is periodic test of the pollution level of the rivers should be done to know the progress of any cleansing initiative. One way to change things is mitigating environmental degradation on the Santiago River has been repaired. The Jalisco government has announced that more than 3.4 billion pesos will be spent to clean up the heavily polluted Santiago River. Another way to stop them is to get educating the people about it. The people need to know about the long-term disadvantages of water pollution. One way to reduce the pollution is keep at the chemical factories is proper treatment of the waste chemicals before discharging them into any river.